What's happening, Death Grip Brotherhood? Fun day here at the Death Grip HQ. I'm here with Baked by Joe. Joe, introduce yourself to the Death Grip Brotherhood and tell them your favorite Death Grip product as well.
Hey guys, my name's Joe. I founded Baked by Joe, so I'm doing a little local bakery out of my house right now. I've always been interested in culinary arts and cooking and baking. I've gone through hospitality school and also culinary school, so it's been a great experience so far, and I'm really just trying to push and start to do my own thing with what I really love to do. And my favorite Death Grip product definitely has to be Bone Crusher. That's what I'm rocking with right now, and it's great hold and works awesome.
And let me tell you, I'm glad I'm not in a competition against Joe today because that thing is perfectly styled. Joe, what's your favorite thing to bake?
Right now I've been really into sourdoughs, also just cookies, because who doesn't love a nice fresh cookie?
That's amazing. Now you brought us some baked goods today.
I did.
Why don't you pull some of those out of the bag and let's show the Death Grip Brotherhood what we got. So
awesome.
Let's see this here. Wow. Oh my gosh. Those look absolutely incredible. So you can see here, these are perfectly done. What are these?
So these are some Oreo truffles. They're actually super easy to make. Video will be posted on my page shortly for y'all.
Okay.
But yeah, there's Oreo filling on the inside, coated with some white chocolate with a little drizzle of milk chocolate as well on there.
Amazing. Make sure you guys check out Baked by Joe on all the social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, etc. Or what else you got in that bag?
Sweet. We also have some brownie cookies.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Check those out. We are going to have a good day today. And
then we have some mini sourdoughs styled with a mustache, of course.
Check that out. Oh my gosh, that is incredible. So how'd you get the mustache on there?
So I cut out a little mustache stencil, and then I used some activated charcoal and got it right on the top there.
Amazing. Well, man, Joe, I cannot wait to try these. I know the team here at HQ is extremely excited to try these baked goods. Again, guys, make sure you follow on social media so that you can follow along and learn how to bake some of these incredible products yourself. All right, over and out.